What up, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to install fog lights on a base model Honda CRZ. Now, this car did not come with the option, unfortunately. So I'm gonna show you guys how to wire them up, where to get them, and it's seriously the most easiest thing ever, right? You're gonna have to buy the covers for it. So just find them up on eBay or Wrecked Honda CRZ. Get you some of them. And the kit is actually off the fog light kit. It's actually off a Honda Civic sedan, 2007. So make sure you get the sedan. It comes with the wiring harness and everything that you need for it. So buy those and you'll be set. So what I did, I first wired the harness, passenger, and the driver right here. So all you gotta do, just make sure you wire it up. I grounded it to the radiator support, and I actually went down here to an existing wire harness and just zip tied it across from there. And again, just fish it through there. That way it can come out right here, and I'll ground it up to the radiator support. Now to get the wire harness inside the cabin, you're gonna have to go through the passenger. Now there is a little opening, if I can get this light here. See it right there? Literally so easy. The easiest install I've ever done on some fog lights. And let me show you here. Okay, there we go. So you just fish it through. I wrapped it around right here, all the excess wire, and I fish it through that side, and I'll show you guys on the other side here. All right, we're back to the driver's side. Like I said, fish it through that center right there, and I actually tucked it here and made it come up towards, you can see here the fogs here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I tapped it to the accessory port using, I got that at AutoZone. I'll show you guys what that is here in a second. Basically makes a fuse into 2 fuses, and I'll show you guys how it works. So you're gonna have to tap into the accessory. So every time you turn on the car, that fog light button will turn on. So here it goes. You see that? Turned on, and then when I turn off, turns off. So that way you're not killing your battery and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys that it definitely does work, and the fog light button, it fits perfect in that little, it was a little empty button here. If I can find it, I can't find it right now, but I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Now, as you guys seen, that definitely works. Super easy install. I got these dual back LEDs with double colors, so you can make it to 600K or the 300K. So why not have both, right? So instead of those boring H11 bulbs that usually come in up there. So just a quick video. Get your base model right. Yes, sir.